The rats were certainly over this way, weren't they? But fortunately for me, I've not seen any yet. And here's a piece of the TJI floor joists. Look at that. You really think the main building inspection guy for when we bought the house, do you really think he's been down here? Or the termite guy, do you really think so? I don't. I know so. They would not have left this. They would have written it on the report. They would have removed this out of here. This is prime real estate for termites. So, you know, we pay for something, then we don't get the service. That just irks me, you know. But you're supposed to have a licensed inspector come and do this, and a licensed termite inspector. I couldn't do it on my own because I'm not licensed exactly for that. And here's a pipe that goes through the concrete there and keeps going. Now these leaves, see these leaves right here? They must be 18 years old, these leaves sitting here. And see, they ran plastic down here on the ground. It must have been an inspection type thing, because they ran plastic. They even went up and put the plastic underneath the mud plate right there. But then the plastic got pulled back over there. Who on earth did that? No idea. Okay, let's see what else I can find here. This duct looks very nice. See how the elbow down there is a nice longest kind of sweep. It's got no kinks in it. It's all connected properly. Looks like we got insulation everywhere. I gotta push that piece up, and we'll crawl over that direction. Here's another piece of wood. We'll crawl over here. Remember that insulation? There was no insulation from this wall that way in that bay, and look at that. I'm trying to crawl around and not turn off the camera here. You see there? That bay, there's no insulation. Here they've got insulation, and it's kind of cattywampus up there. I'll have to rearrange that, and I'll have to measure this piece here. Why would they leave that? And on top of that, why did not the inspector catch that years ago when he did the inspection? Well, see, what happened probably was the inspector usually does a flooring inspection for the insulation prior to them installing the subfloor wood on top of that. He probably did that. And then after he got all done, before they put the plywood down, or after, they might have decided, hey, we forgot to wrap this with pipe wrap, or they pulled it down to install that line. Maybe it was an afterthought to install that plumbing line. Okay, from later. I don't know. That looks like the main water line that comes into the house, because outside, that's the exterior wall, I believe, out there, and the main water shutoff is right there. So that line should have been there all the time. Okay, so another something I've got to attend to, and let's see what else we can see. I've got to kind of crawl up and over this, and because I got the video camera, I looked at the battery. Oh, the battery's like flashing at me right now, and lucky for me, I brought an extra battery and put it in my pocket. So I don't have to crawl back. Okay, be back in a minute. Get a new battery, show you some more.
Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.